go live. There we go. What? You. I know. Insane in the membrane. Lovely. I'm glad I'm in Japan and don't have to deal with any of that. That's good. They shouldn't. It's Japan. Assimilate or get the fuck out. Ooh, 5-minute jitters. Technically, they were teaching the kids in Okinawa to do that during World War II because they were all like, children of the sun, believing they're gods, like children of the sun, like whatever. So until they had that unconditional surrender after we dropped the bombs, Japan were pretty much in the same boat. It was really interesting how they had that 180 after World War II. Like, it's one of the few countries that really just like reformed their thinking completely. They do Munchausen by proxy by like neutering their kids so they can be part of the identity cult. He was talking about that, yeah. I saw something like, doesn't he own some property in London? So why don't they confiscate that like they did with Putin's oligarchs' yachts, 2 minutes. Well, 45 seconds. Ten seconds. And we're off. Bing bong, bing bong. Just hit like 600 in buy side with that push up there. I remember. Took another 356 in buy side with that push up there. There's a 200 lot buyer at 470. And if we hold this, the buyers could be picking up strength. Otherwise, you could get a little bit of absorption. We rejected a 93 buyer at 500. There's another 200 buyer at 450. If it accelerates below that, buyers are losing strength. But it needs to. Yep. I'm in a mini, so I just went break even. Break even. Here we go. Let's go. We popped up on my trailing. Damn, getting paid. Trailing this aggressively. And out. Cha-ching. All right, so that was buyer absorption. I took it. I have a consistency account, so I can't make too much. At least until I get a cushion. I don't deny that. Also, like, yeah, they would boil the frog before they shoot anything off. They would just create a blockade and say, "What are you going to do about it?" And then just not allow anything into or out of Taiwan. And then you'd be like, And they're looking to do that probably by 2027. So they're taking notes now, and then they're going to do whatever they're going to do probably next year, if that. But all war game simulations, they ran 30 of them. They lose 26 out of 30. So they need to get their act together first. I keep abreast to this because I'm a hop, skip, and a jump away. So we just took about 500 in sell side. Sellers are still doing their thing, it looks like. But yeah, we had previous 2K in Delta, and they reclaimed everything and went up into 1,000 positive Delta, and now we're coming back on everything. So I want to get that 25K club for like Top Step. That would be interesting. I don't know when they're implementing it, but This looks like yeah, without the Venezuelan oil or the Iranian oil, they have to play ball through like Saudi Arabia and stuff. And then yeah, probably they probably don't have like everyone likes to glaze China and think they have like 100-year plan. They don't. They don't. Oh yeah. And then he purged all his generals not too long ago. Like he has huge trust issues within his own country where he has no like, backing 100% necessarily. Everyone's just afraid of him. That too, probably, with all the microplastics in their water and hard metals. Cha-ching. You got it. It's coming. We have a 76 seller that entered late to the party at 37250. If you come above that, you could get some seller exhaustion. Otherwise, sellers in control. Do we get the seller fatigue or continuation? They added another 40 at that level, 372 is 50. Damn, I took that on the other top step, trailing it, locking in 200, and took that off. Damn, I should have just let it go, break even, but whatever. And it's continuing in their favor, so I'm glad I'm out. Could be just a FU to throw them off and continue. Not married to anything. Yep. C-bite. Contingent on that 372 level. Needs to stay above it. And yeah. It's too idiot boxy for me right now. I'm just out watching. We hit another 148 seller at 350. And they went for the gold after that. Damn. Damn. Are the prop firms still like not doing that? Like they disallowed gold and oil or something. What was the reason for that? It was just too volatile. So people were like degenning it or something. Ah, if it didn't, that's cool. As they say in Japanese, sasuga. Sasuga is like a word they use, which means like that's expected of you. Like for someone like yourself to make that in like a day. Like, by the way, I made the indicator. Here it is. Boom. Here's the strat, and I already made an indicator. Here you go. Free. Boom. There's another 141 seller at 395. So you're getting sellers with upside. So seller fatigue looking real. Japanese books. Ninja. There was another 80 lot at 403 seller and a 60 lot at 402. See. Ooh, and that's cool. 184 and 50 lot at 400 seller. A lot of sellers now. Boom. We got it. Okay. So we're back at the BWAP. Why'd it get quiet all of a sudden? What's everyone up to? Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool. If we come below 148, lot seller at 350, sellers could accelerate. Otherwise, we'll see. Wall jumping. VWAP games. There's a static order on ES at 6640, 145 lot. It's been there since the consolidation pre-market. Hourly wick battle here. Hmm? It created an engulfing too on the 1,000 tick. Nice. Got the hourly close in 3. I took it. We just had a seller get hit here too. Just gonna rip. I just went break even below the seller. Played the breakout. Waited for it to see. Should just keep going. I would like to see it. No. Stop me out. Have a good one. Yep. There's a 127 seller at 394. We got the hourly close finished. If it comes above 395, you could be seeing some slingshot action. Until then, you're not. How's everyone doing? Good? I'm taking this seller slingshot right now. We'll see how it goes, but it's not positive till it's positive. Now it's coming above that 395 character that I got circled. I'd like to see it go accelerate. That would be beautiful. And not come back. Just go. Just go to the upside. Don't come back. Wait, what? Top step froze, bro. The fuck? Yo, what happened to my long? What the fuck? It like froze when I was in profit. Whoa, what's going on? They had errors. Oh, now it's coming back. Okay, good, 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 good. What the fuck, man? I'm putting this into profit now. 552. We're 800 up on this long. Trailing this more at the bottom of the wick of this 1,000 tick. 672 locked in. 700 locked in. Let's go. This is going to be paid. Come on. Take this slingshot. I might even just like, oh my goodness. The fuck? I'm trailing this higher. 800 locked in. 900 locked in. Oh, just paid me $1,700 on the account, on the other account. Holy shit. That's a slingshot if I ever saw one. Oof. All right. That's, well, hopefully, I hope somebody was in that slingshot with me. That would have been nice. I was saying that 395 guy needs to get above that for that to be true. And boom, was it true? That is enough for today. And it's only 10 p.m. or sorry, 11 p.m. my time because it's an hour saved on my end. So you guys lose an hour, but I get one because I get to stream, earlier. Let's see if anything present. Whoa, that's a big FU. Hopefully you guys took some profits if you were in that or holy shit. Damn, ES really hitting the lows here. That was a massive like pullback. My entry price was 395. Like as I was saying, come above 395, I'm in, and then I was in. It was basically a single mini. And I took it to the top and just closed it. Yeah, basically. I saw some buyers step up too. I circled them on the stream. I didn't say it, but there was a 100 lot buyer at 370, and I was like, that's holding. Interesting. And seeing the 100 lot hold and then the seller get punished was two pieces of evidence enough for me. Seen it before and I'll see it again. Cyclic return. All of this has happened before and it will happen again. And yeah, ES dropping the lows out here while NQ attempting to hold it. But it looks like NQ's gonna poop the bed thereafter if the 6640 150 lot on ES doesn't hold, then NQ's gonna follow to the imbalance at 255 maybe. Who knows? This is a whole node we're at right now. Next node at the 270s. Bada bing, bada boom. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's like a big old channel we're in right now. We swept the bottom of it, came back in, went up to take out the highs, but we came to the 786, hard rejected. I don't even need to pull a fib to know that it's a 786. Let's just do it for shits and giggles. For shits and giggles. Watch this. It's going to be a 786. I've pulled enough fibs in my day. Yep, that's an exact 786 rejection right there to the pixel. 24,480. Wow. Yeah, the previous week low is at 352. If that falls out, you got Monday mid and the previous month low at a deviation level down at 246. Looks like it might be a C wave on down to the downside if that's the case. Yes, already breaking the lows here, so. There she blows. Hopefully you get paid and then some. we're basically like in that whole gap down region. If we break back into the node from the London session, it could be like short all day. Who knows? Because we had 3 hits to the high and rejected, so well, it looks like it's about to get that 6640 lot I was talking about, so you're going to get that guy cleared most likely, but what do I know? You just also had a seller enter 85 contracts 335 and they're jittering towards his favor, so seller strength looks it might be true. Here, I'll put a little whale on there. So. Gobble, 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 gobble. Go get him. Go get him, boss. Wow, they're defending it for some reason. Guess that is the low if we fall back in, but that 786 rejection was pretty hardcore, so I don't know. I would imagine the trap is for the downside path, but I don't like to get biased. But if I had to place a bet, I would bet downside and then fade every FU, but who knows? So retest at the bottom of the VWAP. There's a 50 lot buyer at 356 if we can stay below that. The 85 seller at 335. It needs to go below that for sellers to pick up steam again. Damn. That was really weird. That top step froze as I got into profit. I wonder if they pressed a button or something. Never seen that before. Yeah, this is a whole node zone, but we're retesting the bottom of it. Yes, got a bunch of buyers on that push up there. The whole ladder is, ooh, yes, getting faded. But shut down Ninja Trader. Apex is pretty cool now. They have like a account performance window that shows you all the days when you're eligible and what checklist you have for what is ineligible or eligible. So like I'm gonna try to submit and see how quick it approves. They were pretty quick before that, but we'll see how the new system works. All right. Damn. Well, sorry to hear that. It's always tomorrow. Have a good one, all things considered. Yep. Take care. Yeah, it's too bad. It's like you know, being out of sync. I've been in that boat before. It's definitely, or like you have it and then you give it back. That's why I trail it so quick. I'm just like, I don't want to be married to anything. I just like, if it accelerates when I'm in, then I'm happy. But if it pulls back, I'm out. Oh man, now it's going down. That's too bad. Hopefully he's still in it off stream. Damn, that's pretty aggressive. It's hitting a bunch of sellers up here too, so people are taking profits. All right, well, guys, I am happy to be here with you all. Hopefully, everyone is good in the hood, and we will catch you tomorrow. So stay frugal, stay positive, and stay blessed, and we'll catch you tomorrow, guys. Peace.